Hello friends, today I'll be showing you lemon pickle, which is a sweet lemon pickle. So there are no preservatives, no sugar added in this recipe. So please watch it until the end. This is a very yummy and tasty sweet lemon pickle. So let's start the recipe. I would request you to subscribe to my channel and tap on the bell icon to receive latest notifications of our recipes. Welcome to Mom's Food Diary. So let's start the recipe. Now we have taken 10 lemons and we have to make sure that we have to use fresh lemons, and the lemons should have a thin skin. You shouldn't take the thick skin lemons. So we need to half it. We have washed it completely and we have dried it using a cloth, cotton cloth, and then we have taken it in a bowl. Now we will be adding 2.5 tablespoons of salt. So we need to, after adding this, we have to completely mix it and we have to store it in a jar for 15 days. So please remember this, and I will show you the complete ingredients list in the later part of the recipe. So as I was saying, we will transfer this into the jar and we will store this for 15 days so that the lemons get pickled, and then we'll be preparing the other ingredients. So 15 days we have kept it in a jar. So see, once the period is over, then we'll be preparing the other ingredients. We have added black cardamom here and black pepper powder and carom seeds. So we have to roast it a little. So this is a completely healthy recipe. There are no preservatives and no sugar in this. We have taken carom seeds. We have to roast it and keep it. And this is a dried ginger. So it's available easily in a supermarket. We have to grind it in a powder and we have to mix all the masala into a small vessel and we will crush it a little and we will transfer it into a small plate and keep it for later use. Now we will be preparing a jaggery syrup. So we have, in a vessel we have added 250 ml of water and 350 grams of jaggery. So we need to make a jaggery syrup. We have not used sugar in this recipe because jaggery is more healthier than sugar. So you can also have the option to use sugar in these recipes. So once the jaggery syrup is ready, so we will be transfer it into a different bowl, and we have to do it slowly because there are some impurities which we need to filter it out. So the flame will be full, and now as you can see, these are the lemons which have been pickled for 15 days. These are completely ready now. There's a slight change in color. Now we will transfer it into a bowl. So now we will prepare we need to add the lemons into the jaggery syrup vessel. We have to mix it well, and now please pause the screen and note down the complete ingredients list. If you have any doubts, you can share it through the comment section below. So now we will be adding all the masalas which we have roasted and kept it. So now at the end, now we will be adding asafoetida, half teaspoon of asafoetida, and this is a dried ginger powder which we have kept it. Now we have to mix it thoroughly, and in some time it will start to boil, and when it will become to a thick consistency, we will take it off the stove. So as you can see, it has started boiling. We will not keep it more to boil. Once it starts to boiling and it becomes to thick consistency, as you can see, it is completely ready. We have used a steel vessel, so the pickles are always sour, so it's safe to keep it in a glass or a steel vessel. So now we have taken it off the stove and we have to make it completely cool. We have allowed it to completely cool off, and then we will be transferring it into a glass jar. As you can see, you should always use a dry spoon while transferring the pickle, and we have to store it in a glass jar. So this pickle recipe stays good for 1 year, and it's a totally healthy recipe because there is no preservatives, no sugar. It's a very yummy. So I am sure you have liked it. If you have liked it, please like and subscribe. Until then, goodbye.